So this was a wonderful experience this week in Rome at our workshop for financial transparency and accountability in the Catholic Church, where participants all over the world, from Africa mainly, from Asia, from Europe, were encouraged by the words of the Holy Father and from the top officials in the Vatican concerned with economic and financial questions. And it was a call to understand that the way we deal with the material assets of the Church is part of the life of the Church. It's part of the holiness of priests and bishops to use these assets well and responsibly. It's not the aim of the Church to manage assets. It's a necessary means with which we can serve souls, and the overall aim of the Church, which is the salvation of souls. Amen. If we do that well, we can change the culture in the way we use material means. So this is a starting point, transformational journey. This was just the beginning. Now we are trying to put this into practice, and we need to review and check how we are implementing the things we have taken with us from these days in Rome. For me personally, it was an enriching experience to see how alive the Church is in Africa and Asia, and how we can exchange gifts between the so-called developed countries that in reality need so much help from these younger churches who are so vital and have so many young vocations and young families and enthusiasm. And at the same time, we can share our technical expertise,
promoting the mission of the Church,
our economic and financial experience with these countries, always very respectful of their own cultural traditions and their own ways of formulating and expressing ethical principles like responsible use of resources. One wish that was expressed by several participants was better preparation of newly appointed bishops for their tasks. So we get appointed to an office in the Church, be it in a parish or be it in a diocese or an institution, and not always do we receive the necessary equipment from a skill set and from an intellectual and technical preparation.
Learn here and what you intend to do when you come back home.
So this is something we really want to work on in the future.